People tryna say I'm only in the media. Got a code with my dogs, can't get in between. I can give them life, no more energy. Amen, amen. Spent about 60 on the time, I can't even lie. No way in, no way out, this shit do or die. So on road, when I roll, must be suicide. Amen.
YouTube, what's good with y'all? I haven't made a video in a minute, but I got some heat for y'all today. I think y'all can see from the title already in the thumbnail that y'all know what I got. But it was actually my bro Nick.
It's good. Y'all follow me on the ground.
Yeah,
bro.
10,
you already know, bro.
I'm gonna put it all up there.
Alright, man.
But
appreciate that.
yeah, bro. He won the sneakers raffle, and you know them. You don't even win them, bro. Them fake.
Yeah.
So I didn't think he was gonna win it, but he won, and so we got the package today. Finna do an unboxing for y'all. Show y'all these Cactus Jack 6. Alright, we got the box. We finna open it. You see the Just Do It tape.
Nike box. Just do it tape. Nike check on the side.
Alright, so we got the box. Jumpman logo right there in the middle. What we got? We got the child.
The smiley face. Or shit, smiley face. The face. We got the Cactus Jack logo, Jordan. I got a size 13.
Damn!
If anybody trying to buy, hit me with offers.
Who?
On the inside of the box, we got that nice little red with the nice little wrapping paper, all black. Look at how nice it is. Somebody ironed it.
Shawty keep me up, yeah. No, I cannot sleep, yeah. I've been working recently. Walked in for my bed,
Yeah?
Oh, looks good, huh?
Wait a second. I know what you're trying to do, Squidward.
Whoa. Yeah, that eats. That eats, bro. I thought the pocket was trash, but that's fire. Cactus Jack logo. It also got the laces. It comes with black and yellow. I low-key feel like the yellow one might be the best one. I thought it was trash at first too, but then I saw it on feet. Got the pocket.
I've been taking drugs like a hobby. Throwing up drunk as fuck in the lobby. They like fuck, I'ma need someone to drive me. Running back like a running back. Taking off. I got cleats and Bermuda grass. In the cut, need to wait, we go crazy. Bitches pull up on me tryna have my baby. Drugs in the green like Bermuda grass. I got bitches in the out.
Alright, man, we got the shoes. You see the laces. This a hard shoe, I'm not gonna cap. I don't know which one is better between all that he's dropped. I don't know, low key, I kinda think the 4s are the hardest one. What you think, Nick?
The ones.
The high ones or the low? The high?
They both hard.
They both hard. They both harder than the 4s?
Yes.
Alright, I guess. The 4s is last?
The 4s is last? Yeah, they hard though.
Yeah. But, so okay, so where do those go? Those better than the 4s?
Those are in the 4s?
Yeah, the 6s? Yeah.
They are.
High key. Yeah. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be back with some more heat soon. I'll see y'all in the next video. Shout out to Nick. I'm gonna put his I'm gonna put everything in the video. Y'all gonna see it. And
I might catch your body. I go up, I go in like it's coffee. Angel number